It is the daily market summary for Monday, and I'm joined now by Ethan Robson of agmarket.net. Ethan, how did we trade in the grains today?
Yeah, rough start to do the new trading week. September corn down about 13 cents, 451 and a quarter. D's corn down about 14, 473 and a quarter there, 474 settlement. Soybean market rough day as well. That's September soybeans down about 43 cents, 11.99 and three quarters. New crop soybeans down about 42 cents there as well. Wheat market taking on the chin down about 18, 20 cents. Just overall pretty rough price action today for the bulls. Came in last night on the open, was selling off for most of the overnight, continued into today. Really no let up.
And Ethan, it really was a big gut punch here today as I came to the office, read across the board on our screens. And as I kind of tried to work back to piece things together, sounds like the crude oil price dropping got the ball rolling in terms of these losses with the price. And then essentially, was it the little bit more moisture and rain added into the forecast that helped to continue that slide?
It was, yeah. We're in a weather market right now. It's prime time U.S. weather, growing conditions, like you said. So that added moisture out in the Western Corn Belt really changed some of the market psychology about, at least for today, about what this U.S. corn soybean crop's going to be. Now that's going to be the give and pull, right? As different yield models come out in the weeks and month ahead. It's trying to figure out that supply side of the balance sheet. Then you got the energy market as well, just taking on the chin today. U.S. Iran pausing some strikes against each other. September WTI down about 7.75%, down about $7 right now, 82.34 last trade. That spilled over to the ag complex as well, just weaker all around.
And Ethan, we're to the part of the growing season where we're starting to project those yield numbers and maybe get a clearer picture on what exactly they will look like at the end of the season. And we know that it's been hot and dry for stretches here this summer. But when you're talking with clients and others at agmarket.net, where do you guys feel that disease pressure is right now and how that could influence yields this year?
Yeah, it's been a mixed bag depending on the customer and obviously the geographical location. You see some yield models come out from third-party private companies, some still in the mid to lower 180s, some less than that, depending on the agronomist you're talking to. Talking about U.S. national corn yield, of course. And so it's pretty variable. And so trying to figure out, okay, what's that fine line there of what this potential U.S. corn crop's going to be.
Over on the other side of the markets here today, similar story with the red screens. How did we trade in the livestock today?
Yeah, not much better in the cattle market. That live cattle October down about $3.72 and a half, 218.77.5. Feeder cattle September contract down about $9.52 and a half, down limit. And the deferreds, that September contract and feeders making new year-to-date lows as well. So not something the bulls are wanting to see for the feeder cattle market. Obviously, big news coming into today was that the U.S. was going to resume some cattle imports from Mexico after the newest screwworm ban. So it looks like they're going to come in through Arizona, Brooklyn instead. And so obviously that caught the market, hedge funds by surprise, and good sell-off today.
What's the best way for our viewers to get in touch for more marketing information?
Yeah, visit us online, agmarket.net, test our free 30-day trial on our MyFarm software. Give us a call here in Bloomington Normal, 1-800-779-1515.
He's Ethan Robson of agmarket.net, my guest here today for the daily market summary. Ethan, thanks for the time. Really appreciate it, and stay cool.
Yeah, appreciate it. Thanks, guys.